Hey, I hope you're doing good. It's Chris here from 6th String Fingerpicking. Today we're learning how to play a fingerstyle arrangement of I Still Haven't Found What I'm Looking For, of course, by U2. Hope you enjoy. Please like, share, subscribe. If you'd like the guitar tab for this, that's available down below. We're in standard tuning, have a capo placed onto the 6th fret. Let's get right into the lesson. Okay, so let's get into it. Really nice to play and not too tricky. So it starts on a G chord. I'll be referring to all of the chords as if there were no capo. So hold down the 3rd fret on the 6th string and the 3rd fret on the 2nd string. And all you're going to do is you're going to play strings 6, 3, 2, and then again 6, 3, 2, and then 6, 3. Okay, so 6, 3, 2, 6, 3, 2, 6, 3. And the count is just 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So that's just like that. And you're going to do that 3 times for your intro, so the 4th time, on the 4th bar, you're going to play strings 6, 3, 2, and then 6, 3, and then on the 2nd string you're going to play open and then hammer the 3rd fret. So, okay, and that of course is going to go into the verse. So if you put all of that together, you've gone 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So of course, as I say, then you're into the verse. I have climbed highest mountain, I have run through the fields, only to be with you, only to be with you. Okay, so let's break that down. So it's staying on that G chord. We've played open hammer to 2 on the 2nd string, and then what you're going to do is you're going to play the 3rd fret on the 2nd string and the bass note on the 6th string together, and pull that 3rd fret on the 2nd string off to open, then play strings 4, 3, and then 6, 1st string which will be open, and then 3rd fret on the 2nd string again. So like, okay, and then the next bar you're going to play the 3rd fret on the 2nd string with the 6th string together, again pull off that 2nd string to open, and then again it's the 4th string, then the 3rd, then the 6th, and then we're going to hammer open to 2 on the 2nd string. So far, okay, and then right here you do that pull off again, so 2nd and 6th string together, pull off, 2nd string, and then strings 4, 3, 6, 1, and then 3rd fret on the 2nd string. So that bar is exactly the same as the 1st bar of the verse that we did. Okay, so you've gone. Still on G for one more bar, open 2nd string with the 6th string, then play strings 4, 3, 2, then 2nd fret on the 3rd string, and then open 3rd string. So that bar is, okay, so it's fields, only to, and then we go to a C chord. So of course play the 3rd fret on the 5th string with open 3rd string, and on that 3rd string then quickly hammer the 2nd fret, so like this. Okay, and then open 3rd string twice, and then 2nd fret on the 4th string, followed by open 3rd string, so like. So be with you. Okay, then C for another bar, play the 5th string, 4th string, of course 2nd fret, and then open 3rd string, open 2nd string, Okay, and then second fret on the third string, followed by open third string. Okay, so you've gone. Okay, back to G, bass note. Play that with the open third string, and again you're going to quickly hammer the second fret on the third string. Okay, and then open third string twice, followed by fourth string, and then third string. So like. Okay, and then just play strings 6, 4, 6. So that's C to the G is like that. So that's really the first 8 bars, pretty much. So just to recap, you've played I have climbed highest mountains, only to be with you, only to be with you. And then continuing, again, it's open, hammer to 3 on the second string. Okay, and then again, it's just like before. So you play that again, third fret on the second string with the bass, and pull off the second string to open. Then strings 4, 3, 6, 1, which will be open. Back to the third fret on the second. Okay, so just like before. And then open second with the bass, and then fourth string, third string, and then bass. And then again, open hammer to third on the second string, and then together, and pull off that third fret on the second string to open, and then strings 4, 3, 6, and then 1. So that's just like before. Okay, but then after that, that's where you've got the these city walls, these city walls. Okay, so there, we've played the open first string. Then on the second string, you're going to pull off 3 to open. And then you're going to play the second fret on the third string with the sixth string. Okay, and then pull off the second fret to open. And then you're going to play the fourth string. So like, you've gone, and then. So these city walls. Okay. And then sixth string, open first, and then again 3 pull off to open on the second string. Okay, so and then it's going to a C, so 5th string, 3rd fret, play that with the 2nd fret on the 3rd string. Okay, and then open 3rd string, and then go 2nd fret on the 4th string to open 3rd string. So fingers held down like that, play strings 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 2nd fret on the 3rd string, open 3rd string. So only to. Okay, so these city walls, only to, and then back to G. So bass note, of course, goes down to the 3rd fret on the 6th string. Play that with open 3rd string and quickly hammer the 2nd fret on the 3rd string, and then open 1st string twice, 4th string, 3rd string, so, and then string 6, 4, 6, and then it's going to go into the chorus. So the second time through the verse there, you've gone. And then into the chorus, open 3rd string twice, and then third fret on the second string, and that's going to a D. Haven't found what I'm looking for. Okay, so open first string twice, and then third fret on the second string, and then as I say to a D chord, so I hold my fingers down like this. Tie over that third fret on the second string, play the open fourth string, then the second fret on the third string, back to the fourth string, and then one pull off the open on the second string, followed by open third string. So you've played. That goes to C. Okay, all you need is the fifth and fourth string held down, play the bass, and then the fourth string, and then back to the bass, and then play the fourth string 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1 look. Okay, and then just a G, bass note held down, play that with the open third string, and then the third string again, and then play the fourth string. So from that C, okay, and then bass. So you've gone, but I still haven't found what I'm looking for. And then we've got this. So just playing around with the sus. So play the bass note, and then hold down the first fret on the second string, play that with the third string, and then again, and then pull off that first fret to open. So, but as you pull it off, play the bass note on the sixth string, like that. You don't have to, you could go and just tie it over, or play the bass, like that, okay? Then I'll just play strings 4, 3, 6, and then it goes round again, but I still haven't found what I'm looking for. You get to there, and then the verse goes round again. Okay, so here's the chorus once more. Repeat. And then strings 4, 3, 6, and then you just go through another verse and another chorus, and that's it. So that's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope that you've enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and head over to sixstringfingerpicking.com for hundreds more lessons, all on fingerpicking for the beginner, the intermediate, and the advanced player. So check it out, link down in the description. But for right now, that's it. I'll see you again real soon. Cheers.